How the wolves love little red food. This wolf loves her too.
Is that a carrot?
Mr. Big Bad Wolf. Is the wolf really that bad?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
Is the girl really that kind?
I like wolves.
What will happen to them?
No, I'm a good guy.
Kill him.
No!
I believe he's a good guy. Don't kill him.
Okay, kill them too.
Run!
Mr. Big Bad Wolf. Coming soon. But I don't think so.
Why do you believe I didn't kill your grandma?
Because I killed her.
What?